And I be that trillest nigga that catch a bee. I tell your hoe get on her knees. I never want her on her feet. I only want that neck. And I throw it like I'm Brett. And I'm in that girl pussy like a doctor. Dissect. I keep smoking and rolling and going. I'm killing, you know it's the soda that's nowhere. I do it, I'm rolling, the realest, the nigga that's trillest. I'm illest and I'm wavy dogs like D.I.E. Don't fuck with me, I'm flying. I got your bitch steady spying. Cat double the D, get Clyde. I got weed by the pound, got girls fucking draw staying on the ground, and I'm a clown with no red nose. High breaking bread though, call my whole team up, them trillions we in those. I got my nigga coolin', he shitting with the Uzi, be for real. I got for real, my niggas trill, we super ill. I got the fucking pounds and then I probably seen the pills. Cocaine, I sniff it up, I'm Fresh Prince just like I'm real trill. Getting that money, I'm fucking your bitch and I'm trillin'. She getting you fucking with Nick, I'm doing this shit and my flow is so sick like STDs, don't fuck with me. She giving head just like a GED. I'm doing things, I'm blowing weed, blowing like I'm Charlie Sheen. I'm a young killer slashing beaches like a screaming. If you say I look like this and right, boy I slap your ass tonight. Boy I kill this shit, I'm high as fuck like I've been on a kite. Don't give a fuck, fuck all you niggas, fuck them right like a fucking bell. I put a bitch up in the cell, I do this thing in the hair like the hoe been using gel. Rollin' Swisher Sweets. 2013 shit, man. Shout out everybody, bro. Shout out Gio. Shout out Louise. Shout out fucking Tenzin. Shout out Travis. Shout out my nigga Ben. Shout out D-Will. Cooley, the whole trillion. Shout out BDB, all them niggas. You know, I don't fuck with no fuck boys, bro. Hey, shout out Belle, though. You know, she be giving that good ass top, and she knows she do, bro. She be riding that shit. Everybody done hit too. That's the crazy thing. And nigga, it's still good, bro. She be giving the good shit, bro. And she know it. Belle. Nah, that's her name right there. Facebook right there. Little blonde Asian girl, bro. Not even blonde no more, bro.
Who else out here, bro?
You know, it's not
Who else out here, bro?
Man, it's all the hoes out here. Megan Steinman, you know the bitch that got knocked out at my party, bro. You know everybody, you know, swag, suck a dick like it's a little beat shit, nigga. That's all they do. All these hoes. You know, it's Egan hoes. Apple Valley hoes, Burnsville hoes, Shakopee hoes, fucking Rosemount hoes. There's a lot of hoes in Rosemount. Bloomington, Kennedy got ratchets, bro. Kennedy has ratchets. All these Southside bitches coming over here to Kennedy, little thick ass, ugly black bitches, nigga, like Chief Keef video bitches. We're not Chief Keef. I'm YNS, nigga. I'm Trillions. Shout out BDB. Shout out Lucianary. Shout out everybody. You know the whole Serenity 3 team, nigga. Shout out GTB, nigga. Shout out IKI. Man, we go. Splash. Roll that dope, roll that dope.
I don't roll that shit, bro. Man, that shit, you just went off, bro.
Huh? You
just went off.
Rapping?
I'm high as fuck too. Looking at.
He said looking at. Alright, let's see.
I swear. I need smoke. Maybe next blunt will get me, huh?
Huh?
Next blunt will get me.
This gonna be a blunt. Look at it. This already a blunt, right?